Let's talk about 3 or 4 ways that I often see business assets pass to a beneficiary after the owner has died. As a reminder, I'm Anjali Patel. I'm an estate planning and business attorney here in Arizona. Okay, so the first way that I often see business assets passing at the death of the owner is through a contract of some sort. So typically an operating agreement if there's more than one business owner, and or a buy-sell agreement that specifies if one owner dies, the other owners are going to take over that share and what that exchange would look like. The second common way that I see business assets transfer is through an assignment to a trust. This is a popular way to do it if the LLC, for instance, only has one owner. Then it's not about an agreement between multiple owners. It's just a function of let's get these assets towards the decision makers. If something happens to me, that way my beneficiaries can get them. Number 3, a beneficiary or some sort of transfer on death designation. So this is a common DIY approach I see that works better if the primary assets are just money in an operating account or checking account. You can leave a beneficiary to those for those assets, but it doesn't really pass control of the LLC or the corporate entity itself. And then the last way, and the least ideal way, is either through probate or just a will. This is not the best strategy for passing your business to somebody else if you pass away, because there's built-in waiting. There's a period of waiting before you can even file for probate, and then there's a period of waiting before the letters are issued and you can actually distribute. And so oftentimes, if a business relies on probate or a will, that business is going to fail or go under in that waiting period because employees are not getting paid and the person who needs access can't have access. They've got to wait for the court. So once again, I'm Anjali Patel, and those are the 4 most common ways I see for business assets to transfer to a beneficiary in the case the owner dies.